Till this video, we have successfully completed the first chapter, nutrition in plants, second one, nutrition in animals, and third one, fiber to fabrics. Now we are going to head towards our fourth chapter, that is heat. What is heat and what is its relation with respect to our day-to-day life? See, there are many things that you observe. The food that you eat sometimes is hot. If you eat it later than it was produced, later than the time when it was produced, then it becomes cold. Then during winter season, you wear woolen clothes which makes you feel warm. During winter, outside in the sunlight you feel warm, as compared to inside our houses you feel cold. But during summer, inside your house also you feel hot, warm, and outside also there is a high temperature. So according to this also, you have experienced many a times how the temperature of object is impacting our lives. Okay, and that is why in this unit we have to study how temperature of an object is measured, how we can say one object is hot, this object is cold. Okay, how can you say? One of the best example of knowing whether a particular substance is hot or cold is by having a sense of touch, that is touching that particular object and then getting to know. But can you say that can we rely 100% on the sense of touch? So to find out the answer, let us have a look at an activity. Okay, this activity is given. In activities we took 3 beakers, 3 jars. In that we added water. In beaker A or in A jar, A vessel, we added hot water. In B vessel we added cold water, and in C vessel we added a mixture of hot water and cold water. So that will be warm, okay, lukewarm. Now the hot water is not that hot, okay, be cautious. This hot water does not mean that it is burning hot, otherwise it will injure the fingers. This hot water means it is being supplied heat, it is made hot, okay, but not that it will injure our skin. Okay, so this hot water we have to take. Then we have to add our fingers. First add a finger in a hot water, then remove it and add in cold water. Then again remove, add inside the lukewarm water. What changes will you observe? The main changes that we observe is when we add our finger in hot water, then our fingers feel that the water is hot. Then we are adding again in cold. The cold water is not appearing cold because at first we added the finger in hot water. Then when we are again repeat the activity second time, in second term what we have to do? Add the finger in cold water. Now our fingers have experienced a cold water, so they feel that water is cold. Now added in hot water, it will not even appear hot. Okay, and why this is happening? Why hotness of hot water is not being experienced when immersed in the cold water? Why this is happening? Because sense of touch cannot always be relied. हम पूरी तरह से हमारे टच के सेंस पर डिपेंड नहीं रह सकते हैं. We cannot 100% rely on the sense of touch. So there needs to be a technique. Okay, and the technique of measuring needs an instrument that are thermometer. First of all, now hope you have understood from this activity what we did. Simple. Okay, we tried to put fingers in different beakers and felt the temperature of the beaker कि गर्म है ठंडा है देखने की कोशिश की. बट अगर हम बदलते रहेंगे फिंगर्स, सो हमको प्रॉपरली टेम्परेचर दिखने को नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, वी विल नॉट एक्सपीरियंस द एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर वेदर इट इज एग्जैक्टली हॉट. द फर्स्ट टाइम you will get to know, but you will repeat the activity again in all the beakers, you will not get to know the perfect. So first of all, let us have a look at what exactly can you call as a temperature. Temperature क्या है वो देखो पहले. Temperature, the reliable मतलब जिस पे भरोसा कर सकते हैं. Reliable measure of hotness of an object is known as temperature. Whether the object is hot or not, for that we have to measure the temperature. जैसे कि ये स्केल, ये एक चौक है, तो ये चौक कितना लंबा है उसके लिए हमारे पास एक स्केल होती है, बराबर है. वो स्केल से हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है, 10 सेंटीमीटर है. उसी तरह कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हॉट है, कोल्ड है, किस तरह से बोलेंगे? बाय measure, that is temperature. The reliable measure of hotness of an object is known as temperature. And which instrument now we will use here? Which instrument we have to use? We have to use thermometer for measuring the temperature. Okay, the instrument used to measure hotness of an, or I can call the instrument which is used to measure temperature. Just simply we will write temperature. The instrument used to measure temperature of any object is known as thermometer. The instrument used to measure temperature of any object is known as thermometer. Getting it? So this is the definition of temperature, this is definition of thermometer. And by that activity we saw that we need thermometer because हमेशा हर चीज को टच करके हम नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि कौन सी चीज गर्म है, कौन सी चीज ठंडी है. Okay, and for that we need thermometer. Now let us have a look at what are the different kinds of thermometers and how they act. Okay, now I will remove it. Now see, one thing to understand here that thermometer also will be of different type. Thermometers का भी अलग अलग टाइप हो सकता है. जैसे कि अब जब हम पहला थर्मोमीटर पढ़ने वाले हैं वो थर्मोमीटर है, हमको पढ़ना है क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. ओके, actually there are two kinds of thermometer used. First one is a clinical thermometer and one is a laboratory thermometer. Okay, we will study one by one, but now in this video we are going to discuss about the clinical thermometer. What is an clinical thermometer? सबसे पहला ये वर्ड है क्लिनिकल. क्लिनिकल का मतलब हॉस्पिटल्स, क्लिनिक का मतलब क्या होता है? हॉस्पिटल्स. ओके, और इसका ही मतलब क्या है? बॉडी. सो द टेम्परेचर विच इज यूज टू मेजर द thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of an body, okay, is called as clinical thermometer. How can we define now? How can we define the thermometer? Okay, that measures our body temperature. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is known as clinical थर्मोमीटर. अब अगर कभी थर्मोमीटर आपने देखा होगा, ओके, तो थर्मोमीटर आपका भी कभी न कभी आपको फीवर आया होगा और डॉक्टर ने आपका टेम्परेचर मेजर करने के लिए थर्मोमीटर का यूज़ किया. तो कौन सा थर्मोमीटर था वो? क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. ओके, नाउ इट हैज़ अ स्केल. स्केल का मतलब मेजर करने के लिए उसके ऊपर कुछ यूनिट्स दिए हुए रहते और कुछ नंबर्स लिखे होते. वो स्केल कौन सी स्केल है? डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, द टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड इन स्केल ऑफ डिग्री सेल्सियस स्केल. Degree Celsius means temperature is measured. In India we have adopted this degree Celsius, although there is also another scale called as degree Fahrenheit. Okay, Fahrenheit scale is there. Fahrenheit scale which is ranging from 94 to 120 or something. Okay, so that scale we are not using in India. We are using the Celsius scale. Okay, so degree Celsius scale we are using. Over that typically range is 35 to 42. Okay, This will be the normal range. This will be the normal range of which temperature will be measured. Now what are the divisions on the scale? Okay, let us discuss. We have to calculate. Before going to this point, let us have a look at what it has. उसके अंदर कौन सा फ्लूइड होता है. आपने देखा होगा जैसे हमारे माउथ के अंदर या फिर आर्म पिट के अंदर जब उसको डाला जाता है तो उसके अंदर कुछ फ्लूइड रहता है जो ऊपर जाता है. What is that fluid? That fluid is mercury. Okay, and what is this clinical thermometer made up of? Thermometer is a long glass tube. Okay, having bulb at one end, having bulb at one end. एक ये end पे छोटा सा bulb होता है. Okay, now in that bulb there is a liquid and that liquid is called as mercury. That liquid is mercury. Mercury is a metal which is present in the liquid form. And why we are using mercury? आप लोगों के दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए कि सिर्फ मर्क्यूरी ऊपर जाने के लिए क्यों यूज होता है. Why mercury rises up inside that tube? Why? Because mercury is such a substance which on sensing the heat quickly rises itself. मर्क्यूरी एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जिसको हीट जैसे ही दिखी वैसे ही वो हीट को सेंस करते बराबर उसका लेवल ऊपर जाएगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट. व्हाट वी वांट? चेंज इन दैट टेम्परेचर. जैसे कि वैसा अगर रहे तो फिर तो थर्मोमीटर ही खराब. थर्मोमीटर का अगर परफेक्ट रीडिंग बताना है तो हमको क्या चाहिए कि वो रीडिंग ऊपर जाए नीचे आए. ओके, सो फॉर दैट फ्लक्चुएशन मर्क्यूरी नीड्स टू बी देयर एंड अ स्मॉल थ्रेड इज देयर विच इज आउटसाइड एक्चुअली. On the outside a small thread of mercury is attached to the end of the bulb. Okay, which you can see when you will handle the clinical thermometer, you will get to see. Okay, so this is present inside the mercury is present inside the clinical thermometer. Now I was discussing about division. Okay, how many divisions are there? Division का मतलब वो एक छोटी लाइन, बड़ी लाइन हमको पता है. Okay, for example this is a scale, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, and the number of divisions or the number of small lines here are 5. In between these are 4 and this one is 5. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to calculate the value of one division. ये एक छोटी लाइन मतलब एक डिवीजन, और एक डिवीजन कितना है वो हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. फ्रॉम 0 to 1, 1 2 3 4 5. सो वी विल राइट नंबर ऑफ डिवीजन and we will write the large line representing the number 1. So 1 upon 5, what answer will come? 1 upon 5. The answer of 1 upon 5 will be 0.2 degree Celsius. Means this will be 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. Okay, so in this way the value of one division is to be calculated. Now by this technique you might have got to know how to calculate a value of a division. Means the scale that you see over it, Celsius scale, we need to find out. एकदम ऐसा ज़रूरी तो नहीं है ना, या 0 पे अटकेगा या 35 पे, दोनों के बीच में 0 पे या 1 पे या दोनों के बीच में भी आ सकता है. और वो जो सेंटर में अगर आ गया तो हमको कैसे पता कि वो कितने वैल्यू का है. ओके, सो फॉर दैट वी टेकन आउट वन डिवीजन. ईच डिवीजन इज ऑफ 0.2. ओके, द स्मॉल लाइन्स रिप्रेजेंट डिविजन्स. सी हियर देयर माइट बी अ चेंज. ओके, नंबर्स माइट बी चेंज. ये 0 को 1 बताया मैंने, शायद 35 to 36 होगा. ओके, और बीच में ये 5 है. कभी कभी यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स 10 रहते हैं दो लार्ज नंबर्स के बीच में. सो देयर आवर वैल्यू विल चेंज. हियर विल कम 10. ओके, एंड हियर विल कम 0.1. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्केल द डिविजन varies. Okay, so this is about calculating the division. Now there are some precautions. How to read a thermometer? First of all, now we will study the topic reading a thermometer. कैसे रीड कैसे करें एक थर्मोमीटर को. चलो किसी को पता नहीं है, हमने थर्मोमीटर ला लिया घर में फॉर प्रिकॉशन पर्पस. ओके, एंड नाउ वी डोंट नो हाउ दिस थर्मोमीटर वर्क्स. सो नाउ हाउ टू रीड. First thing that we have to do is wash the thermometer with एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन. एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए. ओके because there might be germs if we are measuring the temperature of two persons from only one thermometer, then there might be transfer of germs. So to avoid that, antiseptic solution we have to use. Okay, now reading purpose, I am standing like this, and for example this is a thermometer, then I should not, and this is the bulb, for example this is the bulb, then I should not hold the thermometer from the bulb, I can hold it from the top, not here, not too above, in front of the eye line. Okay, so the mercury level should be understood by looking towards the clinical thermometer in front of the eyesight. Okay, in front of the eyesight, understood. Then we have to find out the divisions, कि कौन सा division दिख रहा है. ठीक है, first put it inside mouth or put it inside the armpit, then take it out, little bit shake before putting it inside the body or before getting in contact with the body, shake it once. Why? To lower its level. 35 के नीचे तो आना चाहिए. ओके, 35 के नीचे अगर नहीं आया तो ऊपर कैसे जाएगा? If it is already near 40, then it will decrease. We don't want decrease in the thermometer level, we want increase. So it should be below 35 as it is not in contact with the body. बट जब हम वो थर्मोमीटर को माउथ के अंदर डालेंगे तो उसका लेवल बढ़ जाएगा, और जैसे ही लेवल बढ़ेगा तो हमको एक्चुअल हमारा टेम्परेचर पता चलेगा. एम आई क्लियर? ओके, सो वी शुड शेक इट प्रॉपरली सो द लेवल शुड गो बिलो 35. नाउ इट हैज़ बीन ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट द कॉमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमंस, दैट द नॉर्मल एवरेज बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज 37. In case of fever it rises, but the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. In this point itself we will study the precautions also. Okay, so I told you now how to read. First of all we have to shake it properly, wash it, then shake it properly so that 35 के below आ सके, then apply inside mouth. Okay, then take it out. Do not, while recording the temperature, do not hold to the bulb. यहाँ पर पकड़ के ऐसे नहीं देख सकते हम. We have to hold it from the upside. No one will touch the bulb, as the bulb has temperature of the body, and if we touch it then it will get disturbed. Actual temperature we will not obtain. So for that, hold it in front of the eyes. Then for calculating we have to see first two big numbers, that it is between 35 to 36 or between 36 to 37. Then we have to see the small line, that is division. If 5 divisions are there in the thermometer, calculate कि कितना है एक डिवीजन का वैल्यू. वेरी इजी इट इज़. Nowadays that task is being reduced. अभी क्या आ रहे हैं? डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर. जैसे वो अभी कोरोना के टाइम में स्क्रीनिंग गन देखते हो आप, 98 के अबव नहीं होना चाहिए. वो फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल है, वो सेल्सियस स्केल नहीं है. वो कौन सी स्केल है? फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल. ओके, दिस इज़ डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल. हम इसमें सेल्सियस स्केल में देखते हैं. सो वैसे ही आजकल डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर आ गए हैं जिनके अंदर वैल्यू डायरेक्ट आ जाती है. वी जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई द मर्क्यूरी the bulb which is having mercury, and they will give the accurate decision of the thermometer. All right, so what precautions now need to be there? Precautions is, do not hold with the bulb, then wash it after use, before use also. Then do not shake it vigorously so that it can break, so that it will break. Okay, so that should not be there. And in this way we have to calculate the temperature by using a clinical thermometer. One more thing to understand here, clinical thermometers are not meant for using it on other objects. क्योंकि अगर 45-50 के ऊपर की टेम्परेचर वाला कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, गर्म पानी, उसमें अगर डालने की कोशिश किया तो इट माइट डिसफंक्शन एंड इट माइट इवन ब्रेक, क्योंकि ग्लास का होता है वो फूट सकता है. एम आई क्लियर? Okay, so in this unit that we discuss now about how to measure temperature from a clinical thermometer. Okay, in the next video we shall be discussing about the laboratory thermometer. All right, till then take care.